Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tuesday, so you know what it means. It's time for 2-Minute Tuesday. And today I'm gonna make a short video because I wanted to unbox something that came in the mail earlier this week. And I'm super excited about it because it's one of my favorite brands. This is the package we're talking about. It's from Marc Jacobs, yes. And if we look inside, there's this beautiful handbag. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. This is the bag. It's called the Softshot. It's one of the newest bags. As you can see right here, you have the double J hardware. Also Marc Jacobs right here, and the interchangeable strap, which looks very rock and roll. I love it. It looks so good. And the color of this one is called Cement, but you also have it in different other colors, from nude ones to more flashy ones, which are very nice as well. So definitely go take a look at those as well because they look very nice. But this is great for the winter. It just fits with a lot of things, also with what I'm wearing right now. So that's super cool. And it's actually quite big inside. It still has all the paper inside, but it just looks way bigger than I thought it would be. The inside has two compartments, one big one and then one a little bit smaller, but also one that has like this little wallet thing in it, so you can put your ID inside or your credit card, which is very, very useful and really nice. It just looks really pretty. And I love the fact that it has two zippers. It's like giving that extra touch. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope you like the bag as much as I do, and I'll see you later. Bye!